Yeah, we have a lot of move at the moment because so far I have just talked about research and developmental side in the field of CARs, but the commercial field is going to broaden it extraordinarily. So far we have employed CAR-T cell products from industrial manufacturing only on the third line in patients with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. And that will change because during the last ASH annual meeting in December 2021, we saw in 3 studies a comparison of conventional standard of care therapy with CAR-T cells given already at the second line, so traditionally after R-CHOP given to the patient. We will not go to RDHAB or an autologous stem cell transplantation, but directly second line to CARs. For Germany, for example, my country, it means that from a yearly rate of 300 patients getting a dose in with CAR-T cells products, that will come to an order of magnitude higher to 3,000 patients here in Germany receiving the products. And that, of course, will be a game changer because a lot of hospitals, besides the big players, university hospitals, are thinking now about how can we prepare for this plethora of lymphoma patients getting dosed in with CD19 CAR-T cells. And besides that, they also have to prepare for administering BCMA-targeted CAR-T cell products to multiple myeloma patients. So what we currently see is a broadening of the field. We have another entity with myeloma, but we have a change from third line 3L to 2L, it's a second line in large B-cell lymphoma. And that will certainly constitute a challenge to both the nurses and physicians working with the patients and all good other people like case managers, like transplantation coordinators, to provide enough infrastructure, beds and day clinic beds for the patient. And on the other hand, it will be a challenge for the health care payers because currently, including the chemotherapy, the preparation, and the follow-up, patient will roughly cost €500,000. And if you multiply that with 300, you end up already with a high sum of money. And if you even multiply it with 3,000, it really comes to a sum of money which is valuable and must be counterweighted to the BPN of a country. So we will see what happens in the health system. We see already a lot of restriction from the side of the healthcare payers as for BCMA CARs, and we will see once the market or authorization in the middle of this year will be changed from third to second line for large B-cell lymphoma.